Hello and welcome to my fourth devlog on MMA or Magic Martial Arts. This is a weekly occurring devlog on my game's progress. This week I got to make the game look better. I found some assets with animations on the asset store and I used it as a base for the enemies and the player models. I did add some pieces to them like armor and change the color, but I didn't do too much to them. I added music and sound effects. I won't be playing them now, but be assured it is in the game. I have a few more items for the audio, like voice lines and stuff, that still need to be created and imported, but it's all mostly done for now. I created a basic UI for the main menu, loading screen, and various pause menus and gave them basic animations. They turned out pretty well, but I'm seriously rethinking how I want to move forward with that in the future. They're kind of finicky. I won't be changing it for this game, but oh my god, they can be annoying when trying to change them. I had a serious challenge this week, which started with learning Blender for character rigging. I spent a day and a half, or somewhere around 12 hours, before I gave up and bought the character animation assets. Props to the CAD artists, because that was frustrating to work with. The actual animation wasn't bad, but I could not understand how to use Blender for the life of me. I did a lot of work on making the animations work with the hitboxes and stuff, but in general it went together pretty well. I did remove the money bags and equipment from the demo because I won't have time to implement the shop yet, but I might in the future. I still need to get the spells balanced because some of them are completely overpowered. Overall, this week felt like a month. It was just one thing after another just trying to push me over the edge, mostly because I wasn't familiar with it, mostly Blender. I definitely learned about how to manage my projects in the future, and I'm grateful that I had the foresight to leave comments in the code telling me where to put stuff when I get to add it in later. For the fifth week, I'll be doing some spell balancing and finishing up the player UI. Having the current element type displayed in the hand, as an example, health bars, resistances, and damage numbers and stuff like that if I have the time. I have a link to my itch page if you're watching on YouTube, and if you're watching on itch, I will have the YouTube playlist linked nearby. That is it for this week. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.